If you are just a beginner who is looking for ways to earn money online, then you have clicked on the right video. As in this one today, we will show you how you can earn around $1,000 from just Google search. Keep watching the video to the very end to know how. No experience required. The reason why this method right here is absolutely perfect for beginners is because in this, you don't need any sort of experience at all. The website, which we'll tell you about in a minute, is one that will allow you to make hundreds of dollars in one day through a variety of methods. The best part is that this method can work for you from anywhere. So, no matter from which region you belong to, you now have a really easy way to earn some money for yourself, which we'll tell you about in a bit. Make sure to watch the video very carefully till the very end so that you don't miss any step along the way. Introducing MoneyPantry.com. Money Pantry is a website that not only provides you with solutions to earn money online, but also gives you tips on how to save that money as well. This website is the perfect source to start your online money earning from, as it provides you with many financial blog posts to make sure that you get started with your earning process the right way. The blog posts are both about earning money and saving money. And under each of these categories are hundreds of blog posts with short descriptions that can definitely help you out in some way. Because let's face it, when starting anything out, we do tend to get a little confused as we don't know where to start from. But with Money Pantry, chances of getting confused are little to none. If you read the blog posts that are about earning money, you'll see that there are so many websites and ways that can help you earn money in no time, and too as a beginner. Click on any of the blog posts that seem suitable to you. For example, click on one that shows you how to earn money by writing. You can easily earn money by writing blog post articles and posting them online websites that pay you money in return for those articles. The blog post will also present you with multiple website options to choose from, along with the pay range that each website gives to one blog post that you write. However, you won't actually have to write the blog post yourself, as in the end of this video, we'll be showing you a little trick that won't even require you to write those blog posts yourself. The websites that'll be shown will definitely provide you with incredible opportunities that you will not want to miss out on. Now, how can you earn through these websites will be through Google search. Let's find out how. Find out a topic that can suit every reader out there. Since it's your first time, you might want to start off with a topic that interests everyone, or if not everyone, then at least the majority. You don't have to be an expert on the topic your blog post will be about, and neither do you have to write about something that's complex and difficult for you to understand. Choose a topic that is of your interest overall and can attract an audience as well. If you're still confused about what to write about, then this is what you'll use Google for. Google can help anyone out there on anything at all, and thus can help out with your thing too. Search on Google about the topics that are trending at the moment, and choose from any one of those. Even if you're not a good writer, you can check out some popular blog posts related to any one topic, and pick out lines from every post and rephrase it accordingly. And there you have it. Your very not-so-own blog post, but a one that will help you out for sure. One such website that offers a good amount of money for each blog post is Vibrant Life. This website pays around $100 to $300 for a single blog post. The website can be any in general, but clicking on that website, you can see the type of blog posts that are posted on that website. And if maybe one website suits you and is easy to work around with, then your future blog post can be according to the niche of blog posts that that website features. In Vibrant Life, most of the articles are related to health and fitness, and the website says that they want their articles to have an informal tone. The word range for each blog post should be between 450 to 650 words, and through each article, you can earn around $300. The money per blog post that this website's offering is a really good one, as other websites like textbroker.com pay you according to the ratings that you get on your writings. So if one person has gotten many 5-star ratings, then he or she will be getting around 1.4 cents per word, which then calculated with the total number of words is way less than what Vibrant Life is offering per article. Since you'll be posting your articles online, Vibrant Life can be accessible to you from anywhere in the world. This website is just an example. There are many more listed on blog posts on MoneyPantry.com that can offer you way more money as well. So make sure to check those out as well. Explore your options and never stick to just one when earning money online. How to write good quality articles. This is where Google comes in. After choosing the topic that you want your article to be about, just make sure that that topic not only interests you, but also interests the majority of the readers of the website that you're posting your blog post on. Search for the topic that you'll be writing your article on Google. On Google, you'll find many options, but the best ones that you can find will be on Quora. Quora is an online platform where people ask questions, and then hundreds of people reply to that question. So when searching for your topic, add in Quora after that, and Google will present you with multiple questions that have been asked related to that topic on Quora. On Quora, you'll find so many answers that it's guaranteed that you'll find some good points to add into your article. Click on any one of the answers that sound good to you. Write those very points on your articles in your own words and make it more relatable for yourself and for your audience. Make sure that you rephrase the sentences and write them in your own words to avoid plagiarism. And as authentic as your articles can be, the more payment you will get. Make sure that the word count of your article and the topic of your article that you've chosen is according to the range and niche of the articles that the website features. If the word count is too low or too high, or if the topic of your article is not according to the niche that the website features, then your article will simply get wasted, and the website will not pay you money for that. As mentioned earlier, explore other websites too, and find the one that features articles related to your topics of interest so that you can have fun while writing, or rephrasing too. This method right here is perfect for beginners who have no idea how to start earning money online. College students, or anyone in general, can definitely use this to earn themselves some extra pocket money. And once you get a hang of this method, it can even turn into a full-time income for you, too. You just need to put in a little bit of effort, and then you'll be good to go. Comment down below on the topics that you're generally interested about when reading articles, or the ones that you'll be writing about if you choose to start earning money online with this method. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video helped you in some way, and through this, you've found a way through which you can earn money for yourself right at home starting today. Making money online from the comfort of your own home has never been easier. Who isn't looking for a way to earn extra pocket money? Well, in this video, we'll tell you about an app that can help you make as much as $400 daily just from your smartphone. You can earn while being anywhere in the world. The method which we're about to tell you that can help you earn money can be used from anywhere in the world. No matter from which country or region you belong to, you can make yourself a good amount of cash on a daily basis. Make sure to watch this video till the very end. The app is none other than YouTube. The very same app that you'll use to earn around $400 a day is YouTube. We all spend the majority of our time on this video sharing platform, so why not use it to our advantage? People all over the world are able to make a good amount of money by uploading videos on this platform. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more content like this. We will see you in the next one.